Vakweni Vawa, Vakweni Vawa, Vakweni Vawa. That is who we are.
Come join us on our adventure!
What's wrong with Sam K? He's been smiling all day.
Sam K's been to the dentist and he can't stop smiling. Apparently, the dentist told him he had perfectly healthy teeth and gave him a red lollipop after his appointment.
I won't mind a sweet red lollipop right now. Nangula, when last did you get a lollipop from the dentist?
3 months ago, Shetu, when I went for a checkup. When was your last time?
I don't know. Maybe a year ago?
Shetu, you must visit the dentist once every 6 months to make sure your teeth are healthy. And you must brush in circles when you clean your teeth and try to brush for at least 2 minutes. It's important that all Namibians have healthy teeth.
I can run in circles, Nangula. Look!
That's not what I meant, Toko. And this isn't a joke. The health of your teeth is very, very important. Without good teeth, we can't eat. And when we can't eat, well, everyone knows what happens then.
And what about flossing, Nangula? Should I floss or not?
Yes, you must floss. Flossing gets all the bits of food from between your teeth to make sure they stay clean.
And what about mouthwash?
Mouthwash too. It helps to freshen your breath, but never swallow it.
I'm going to make an appointment with the dentist right away. The last thing I want is not to be able to eat. I love food too much.
Sam K is still smiling, guys. Sam K, did you not hear what Nangula said? Dental health is not a joke.